Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make the cutaway pocket, also called the slant pocket. The method used for this tutorial is very simple, fast and easy to learn. Cut a pocket bag of 30 by 30 centimeters and fold along the grain. Place the pocket bags together with one part of the trouser front over and trim the sides as shown. The pocket bags will now have the shape of the side of the trouser. Open both pocket bags and place the front of the trouser as shown. Cut the slant of the pocket. Notch the slant end as indicated. The pocket bags should look like this once you are done. Over here, I am marking and cutting the facings for the pocket bag. One side will be used to finish the pocket slant edge, and the other will be faced onto the opposite side of the pocket bag so that the white pocket bag doesn't show. This process will be seen in the later part of the video. Now the edges of the facings are folded and ready to be stitched. Stitch the facings onto the pocket bag. Secure the facings in place. Now it's time to stitch the pocket bag to the trouser. Place right side of pocket, which is the inner part of the pocket, onto the right side of the trouser front. Pin in place and start stitching from the knot position all the way to the bottom. Press the seam allowance down and press it open. This will ensure that the fold is created smoothly and easily. Top stitch about 1/4 of an inch from the edge of the slant, starting from the notched position all the way to the top of the pocket slant. After stitching the slant edge, turn the pocket back over and align as shown. Now measure 6 centimeters on the waistline from the side to the pocket slant. That is, the pocket slant should be 6 centimeters away from the side of the trouser. Note this position. Now you are going to create another notch slightly below the previous notch. Notch the folds of the pocket bag as shown. This will be used as a guide when turning the pocket to stitch. Now from the notched position, shape the pocket away from the side of the trouser, curving it inward slightly. This will ensure that the pocket bag is not stitched while stitching the side of the trouser. Now turn the pocket bag over using the notch as a guide. Once you turn the pocket bag over, you can stitch the edges together. Start stitching from the folded edge, curving to the notched position. Make sure you stop exactly on the notch. Trim down the seam allowance. Now you can turn the pocket bag out. At this point, the pocket bag seam is finished inside the pocket. After pressing, you are going to top stitch about half an inch at the edge. So you start at the bottom of the pocket and curve all the way to the notch. Make sure you stop directly at the notched position. At this point, the pocket is complete. Finally, stitch the top of the waistline to hold the pocket and the pocket bag in position.